My app is a multi-tool. The purpose of this app is to be handy and useful for times when you don't have things such as a flashlight or a spirit level. The first function on the application is a flashlight. I was unable to find the necessary code to access the flashlight on the front of the phone and instead use the screen. So if we go ahead and turn it on, as you can see, it uses the screen, and it's quite a handy flashlight. If we turn this off, you can see it's very effective in illuminating whatever needs to be illuminated. It also has the ability to be different colours and has a black and white strobe and multicoloured strobe functions. The second function is a ruler. Again, I intended to have a gyroscopic ruler that picked up how far the phone was moving, but was unable to find the necessary code. Instead, I've just done this. This is accurate within 1mm for measuring things such as screws or other small things. The third function is a spirit level. It is fairly accurate and does both horizontal and vertical movement. The third function is a calendar. Just a simple swipe to change the month. The fourth is a calculator, which does the 4 basic functions of addition, subtraction, timesing and dividing, and will also work decimal. So we can do 1 plus 9 equals 10, or we can do 9.654 divided by 3.888 and gives us an answer. The sixth function is a converter. Does 6 simple conversions, as you can see there, including temperature and area. It works by bringing up the soft keyboard, like so, and we enter a number and convert it. It also works both ways, so you can do miles to kilometers. The final function is a random number generator. You can choose 4 different options depending on the range of the number you want to generate. Say we want a number between 1 and 1,000. This is handy for things such as passwords or other things like that. That's my app. Thank you.